Good morning, student. Today we will study the moment of force or moments. What is force? A force can cause many things to move or stop. And what is moments? When a force causes an object to turn, this turning effect is called moments. In example, a person sitting on a seesaw and we observe the turning effect of force. Moments is also called moment of force, turning effect of force or torque. There are two types of moment. One is clockwise and another is anti-clockwise moment. When a force causes an object to turn in a clockwise direction is called clockwise moment. The girl sits on seesaw. Her weight is the force exerted on the seesaw and we observe the clockwise moment. In anti-clockwise moment, when a force causes an object to turn in an anti-clockwise direction is called anti-clockwise moment. The girl sits on seesaw. Her weight is the force exerted on the seesaw and we observe the anti-clockwise moment. The formula of moment is force into perpendicular distance between force and pivot. What is pivot? The object rotates about a point which we called pivot point. The formula of moment is F into D and unit is Newton meter. This is the pivot point. A object apply the weight downwards and distance between the pivot and object is D. Angle between D and F is 90 degree. Now I explain a numerical which based on moment. A cat of weight 20 Newton stand on one end of seesaw and the distance between cat and pivot is 3 meter. Find the moment. In this numerical, first we find the direction of moment, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. In this problem, the direction of moment is clockwise. So we can write clockwise moment is equal to F into D. Force and distance between pivot point and the weight of the cat, that is equal to 20 into 3 is equal to 60. This is the magnitude and Newton meter is the unit. Here is the example of moment. This is a door. This is a pivot point and we apply the force here and distance between pivot point and force is D. In this picture, this is a pivot point and we exerted the force here and distance between force and pivot point is D. In a scissor, this is the pivot and we apply the force here and distance between pivot and force is D. Next point is principle of moments. In an object, to be an equilibrium means stable condition. The total clockwise moment is equal to total anti-clockwise moment about the same pivot point. Same pivot point is the keyword. Here is the example of principle of moment. This is pivot and distance between pivot and 30 Newton is D and distance between 10 Newton and pivot is 6 meter. Find the value of D. First we calculate the clockwise moment, that is 30 into D Newton meter, and anti-clockwise moment, that is 10 into 6 is equal to 60 Newton meter. Using the principle of moment, we can write clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment and that is equal to 30D is equal to 60. So we can calculate the value of D, that is D is equal to 2 meter.